For your final print video, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate and co-edit within this document. The first method, go up to your share and click share for review. I would make it anyone with the link can comment. Go ahead and create that link. I'm going to bring up my review panel right here. There's my link. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And since it's anyone with the link, that person doesn't have to have an Adobe ID. They can log in as a guest. Here's where it's wonderful. I'm going to add some pins. I have all of my pages. This allows your team members to make comments, to pin things, to really get in and edit both type and design without messing with your work. And here's what it's going to look like on your end. In that review panel, all of those comments come up. And if I click on those, it's going to show me exactly what I need to change. And I can click it and resolve it and remove it. So that's option one, okay? And with option one, you haven't saved it as anything special. It's just an InDesign document. Now, the next method is going to be allowing people to edit. And I just want to emphasize, I am not talking about the invite to edit link here, okay? That's basically sharing your InDesign file. What I'm talking about is sharing for text editing. First, I need to save this to the cloud. The file name is going to change. And the larger your file, the longer it's going to take to save this. Just make note of that. It's an INDDL. And once you do this share, this is the document you'll work from, the INDDL. Okay, like I said, it does take a little bit. What I'm going to do is add people to edit. You do need folks' email addresses, but they don't have to have an Adobe ID. I've sent that, and what's happening is it's going to send an invitation to my email. And I'm going to be able to edit any of the text in this document as long as it isn't locked, okay? I've overrode all of my template items. I'm going to come over here and let's just add a hyphen there. I can update text and see it. Now, I can't come in if the editor is here. It won't let me come in and make changes, and I can see who is working on it. And when, I'll click away here. When this person is editing it, I'll just erase some stuff. It automatically updates over here live, okay? Really, really cool way to edit text and make that more collaborative between you and your colleagues. All right, hopefully those methods of collaboration work for your print. The final thing I wanted to talk to print people about is working with your presentation. I love it when the Print Plansbook and the presentation have some common elements. And if you've done what I've done, which is create this Creative Cloud library, you're already halfway there. I'm going to go over to Adobe Express, and I am going to create a presentation. Now, I don't need templates. All I need is my library, and there it is. My first step, changing my background color, it's already pulling those. I can drop down and pick any library. And I can go into my library and add logos. We'll come down here. There's my logo. I can add those elements that I created. There's my little happy face. There's some of my side elements. And look at the quality of those. Once you create that library, you really have everything you need to create that unified look for both your plans book and your presentation. Hope that helps you get going and gives you some ideas about how you can really create a fabulous print plans book.